Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. If you deleted your important data like videos and photos from your iPhone and iPad, then keep watching this video until the end, cause today in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please don't forget to subscribe. Number 1. If you have a backup of your photos and videos, then you can download from your iCloud account easily. First we have to check the settings, then tap on your profile icon and tap iCloud. Now tap photos and make sure that iCloud photos option is enabled. If this option is enabled, then you have a backup of your photos, videos like media in iCloud. So launch Safari and in Google search for iCloud. Now tap iCloud to login. Here tap on photos. Now you have 341 photos, 52 videos in your iCloud, and you can download from iCloud Drive. The second method is launch Photos app. Now tap on album, scroll. Here you have an option recently deleted, tap on it. Now tap select. You can select one by one or tap recover all. Tap recover 14 items and you will recover all your videos and photos easily from your iPhone. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.